Hi guys, today I will show you another accessory for DJI Osmo. So this one is a storage bag for Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, so you can see here high quality material, safe protection and quick installation. So I open this now. Okay, so here it goes. So very nice. So it's nylon material and it's really like a hard case. Open the zipper. Yep, so with the silica gel, then also there's a, how do you call it, lanyard or something, then strap, and there's also zipper here for other accessory, so another silica gel. So I have here the Osmo Pocket 3, so let's try. So it can fit with this extension. Okay. Yeah, okay. Probably, yeah, this way, because you can see the shape. So a smaller part here, so that will be here for the extension. Then, okay, I think that's it. Just close this one. And perfect. It's really nice and sturdy. I like this one. So again, this is the storage bag for Osmo Pocket 3. So there's also available a different one for the creator combo, but the one I have is only standard package. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.